guys, so today we are going to try and get Stevie Ray Vaughan's tone. Right, so big factor is how he plays the guitar, and that's a difficult one. But if we look at his guitar, he's got this strat, this one Fender Custom, and he's got Tele. So let's go to the amp. He's got Fender Vibro. Zoom G1xOn got Fender or FD Vibro, but I'm more into this one, the Marshall Plexi 1959. That's the one that we got on our Zoom G1xOn. And the pedals, he's got Arbiter Fast Phase. Zoom G1xOn got that. Tube Screamer, he's got 3 tube screamers. Voxwa. So I think we will go for Marshall 1959 and the tube screamer. And then the guitar that we'll be using is the Washburn. And let's see if we can copy the sound. So here are the values, guys. Amp sim is MS 1959 or the Marshall 1959. Gain 50, tube 18, level 100, treble 67, mid 62, bass 76, presence 28, cab MS 1959 4x12, output line. Then we put a T-scream or tube screamer, gain 30, tone 50, level 100. And the last bit is the arena reverb. So decay 10, tone 7, mix 27, pred 90, level 50, tail off. So that's it for our Stevie Ray Vaughan tone patch, and please it will be of great help if you can subscribe to my channel, share it to friends. I hope this helps, and see you again soon. Bye for now.